Hello UiPath experts. In this video, we will discuss about a point of contact project requirement. This video having only the requirements, what we have to do with this point of contact project. Let's navigate to the botsdna.com and you can see there is a Cucumber package. Under that, there is a project called point of contact. Click on that. You have a table. The table contains the 4 columns. There's a project code and developer phone number, manager phone number, and point of contact. So for each and every record, what you have to do before that, download this zip file. So I'm just creating one folder, desktop. So within that, something like this. So within that, so we are just downloading this zip file. And once it's downloaded successfully, just unzip this file. You will see there is a multiple folders. So within this, so you have a template, you have a sample output, and project description. So this project description having all the description text files. So what the robot has to do, robot has to pick each and every project code from the website to this website, and corresponding text file it has to search and take the description of that particular text file. It has to read the text from that particular text file and has to prepare a PDF like this. This is one small PDF. So this is a sample. The PDF contains what is the project code and what is the manager contact number and developer contact number, and this is coming from the text file. These 3 are coming from the website. And if there is no developer contact is there, you can just simply say NA. If there is no manager contact, then you can say NA. Type NA. Okay, so you have to prepare this kind of PDF documents. So with all the codes and all the descriptions are here in the text files, and this is a template you can use. This is a project description template. So wherever you have the tags like this, you can use the replace method. Okay. So once this is the PDF for this particular project is created, so you have to select this drop-down list, whether if you have both the numbers, manager number and the developer number, you can simply say the both. If you have both numbers, just say both. Here also both. And here we have only the manager number, the same manager. So both. The robot has to go each and every line, prepare the PDF and say both or manager or developer. Manager. Here is a developer. Here only the developer number is there, but there is no project manager name number in this particular project. And here both. Here manager. Here both. Here also so manager. Like that, it has to fill all the information and click on the submit button. Submit button. So that is the project. So for each and every record, the first it has to prepare the project document by just extracting the project description from the text files, the corresponding project code text files, which is there in the descriptions. And but by just filling the developer phone number, manager phone number, project code, and project description, create a PDF. Then it comes to the same record and change the project point of contact, whether it is both or developer or manager, and click on submit. This is a simple project. Just try to do it on your own. Thank you. Thank you very much.